First of all, football has won. I have not lost. No one has won. It's football that has won, because you also want, checks and balances in whatever we do. And I still believe that it's also important that ZIFA also respects its own constitution, no matter what it is. We are a constitutional country, and if we can respect our constitution, a lot more will happen. So I still insist that the constitution must be respected. In terms of the agent jump application, as the judge alluded to, that we were 2 days behind, and we needed to go and talk outside with my lawyer, and then concluded that we must definitely withdraw so that the process of the election goes forward. It was not in any bad taste, but it was to make sure that we do things properly. The ordinary application will still be there, and what I just want to wish is everybody all the best. And I think what we want are people who will definitely be able to work for the good of football. I'm hoping that the new executive will be able to stick to constitutionalism and do the right thing, because without that, then there's anarchy in football. I would at the same time like to also give a name to somebody who I think will be able to take football forward. For me, I always say that I don't have to be the ZIFA president, but what I want to see is to see sport grow and to help in my own way. Therefore, I endorse Ngobile Magwizi as the next ZIFA president. If people can vote for him, it will be good. The reason why I say so is that he has the capacity intellectually. He needs to have people around him who should be able to guide him. In talking to him yesterday, I also assured him that I would give him the support that he needed. He drove all the way to Shurugu to come and talk to me about it. And my withdrawal has nothing to do with Ngobile. No. I always spoke to him that I believe that he was good for the game, but he needed to have strong people around him who are experienced, who would be able to assist him. I'm there to assist him. As a result, football has won. I'm also getting a bit old, so you need to see some young blood moving forward.
We understand that you also had filed another case application with the Court of Arbitration for Sport. So, what is the position now?
For me, CASA is important, because that's exactly what was expected of us. Where I think I need to explain to people is that, but Sabu, so why did you challenge this when you were part of the process? You still wanted to be in it. I'm a man of principle. I can still continue pushing what has to be done of me with the Constitution, which I believe was not properly done. But at the same time, criticize. So it does not mean because you are in a bus and the driver is driving fast and everyone is quiet, you must be quiet. I believe in talking, saying, driver, let's slow it down, because people will die and so forth. While I'm on the bus, while I need to get to destination. So we must have that culture of speaking out, so that we're able to serve our country in a meaningful way and so forth. It's been great. The groups we've been chatting, people are open, and those in football must know that there will always be people like me. If it's not Temba, Sabu Temba, there will be somebody. There will be more Tembas out there who are able to push for checks and balances. But football is one, no bad blood, will continue and so forth. You don't have to win every battle, but it is the war that one must win. Well done, football. Zimbabwe, let's go.
Your case has been withdrawn, we can say, on a technicality, because it never got to the merits and the so forth stage. So the underlying issues, or the substantive issues of the councillors having no mandate and so forth, we can say they still remain. So how safe is the future president of ZIFA when he gets into office, when there are those underlying issues still not yet addressed?
Nobody promised me to do the right things. He promised me to do the right things. I have no doubt that he'll do the right things. That's why this was an agent application which was withdrawn. But the ordinary application is still there. And it's there for checks and balances, that if he does not regularize and do things properly, have a Congress and elections happening, that application will still go through, and it has the ability to reverse and to get ZIFA to do the right things. So I'm quite comfortable with that.
All right, thank you.